Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Dio dari Kenwidi. Salam modifit bosku. Nah, sekarang saya mendapatkan project velg dari motor Nmax yang ingin dikarbon ulang. Nah, alasan kenapa Mas bannya kok nggak dilepas? Nah, ini alasannya adalah ada velg yang retak atau bekas laka lantas atau sudah pernah kena lubang di jalan. Nah, ini alasannya. Ini dulu sudah pernah di Carbonwtp dan dulunya sudah di plastik steel. Untuk seterusnya kita lanjut terus ke video berikutnya. Jangan lupa ya bosku, subscribe, komen, like, dan share. Salam modifit bosku.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going. Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated, what is wrong, what is my problem, what can I get out of this world that I created, fighting storms in my head, don't know where I have been, I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands, shit's too complicated, away, and I feel like I am from hell, away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no, away, and I feel like I don't know my name, and I don't want to live this way, I don't want to keep on wasting life, I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing some life, and if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown brain, Marvin Divine, and we back.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the wind and rain, I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind and see that I'm cooler than them, it's a nice beat. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking mad that they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing some life. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
So faceless.
Yeah, I heard the noise, glass on the ground, treading a thin line, keep me sound, drown out the voice, letting us down, they lose the power with you around. I remember Berlin, you knew I was hurting, oh. Yeah, you kept me safe, you kept me sound. Don't know the streets we roam, graffiti on the walls inside my bones, mark me like stone. I'm all messed up but I'm by your side. You kill the darkness with your light. I thought you should know, you make this feel like home. Don't know the streets we roam, graffiti on the walls inside my bones, mark me like stone. I'm all messed up but I'm by your side. You kill the darkness with your light. I thought you should know, you make this feel like home.
Nah, bagian yang sudah dikarbon kita tutup tapi dengan isolasi kertas, karena proses pencelupan pada velg ini menggunakan 2 tahap, sebagian karena tidak bisa satu kaligus pencelupan. Kita lanjut untuk pencelupan kedua, mari kita simak-simak terus.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star.